Hello mga ka-adventure! Welcome to another video. And guys, I hope you had a great day. And in this video, we will see if it's worth it to fish during strong winds. Since currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the wind is blowing around 46 kilometers per hour and it's currently rising, and we are going to fish around 7 o'clock and I'm going to leave here at 6:30. So yeah guys, this is going to be interesting as well, since I'm going to use an interesting bait and an interesting rig as well. So yeah, stay tuned guys, we'll see how it goes later. Woo! Bam! Woohoo! So finally guys, I'm at the spot right now. Same spot that we caught that salmon, tailor and herring. If you want the full video for it, just search this up guys. And before we proceed with the stuff that I want to discuss with you guys, I'm going to set up my rods and stuff first, then let's talk about it. Let's go! Boom! Another useful tip for you guys, always check your braided line before fishing, because if there's like scratches or maybe like dents in the braided line, you need to cut it, since it will become a big problem when you hook a big fish. It will snap. So yeah, always check it. Yeah, I've learned that one along my journey in fishing. So yeah, it's my time to give it to you guys. So yeah. So that's it guys, I'm finished setting it up, and yep, it's time for us to discuss something. So for my rig for today, which is the interesting rig, and my bait, we'll see. For my rig today, this is interesting since it's my first time using it, because this is not tailor proof guys. This is a dropper loop rig. So basically, dropper loop rig, and there's a circle hook and a small sinker hook and a small sinker hook. So the idea is, I have this big circle hook because I caught a tailor and salmon here, and maybe, who knows, they'll bite it. So that's a good one. And for this small one, that's for herring. And don't be complacent, like don't be what's the word? Don't underestimate this hook. Although it's small, it can catch big fish, bro. But yeah, see how it goes. And a sinker, I use 150 grams. I think the size 5 grapnel sinker. So that's the rig. We're gonna use a chicken breast. Extra protein for you fishes. And this stinky old filter, I'm gonna use it. That's very out of date. It's already bad, really bad, and some people says bad pilies are not good for bait, but we'll see. So that's why it's interesting. And some of it I'm gonna use it for burley, as you can see in the previous vlog, and this one as well. You need to have this. I'm gonna put some of the pilies here and just tie it there in my rod holder. And the idea is, as the wave comes closer to my rod holder, this will get smashed, bam. And what it does is it creates a lot of, like burley trail, so fish will attract so fish will come here. But still, I'm gonna chop some pilis and gonna disperse it in the ocean. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think that's the only thing I need to cover. Ah, wait, this is gonna be long, and you need to have this one as well. If you're bringing three pieces rods, you need to have this one. I bought this one in Temu. It holds your rods together, and if you're night fishing, you definitely need to have this in Temu as well, and it's cheap. Yes, sir. And yeah, let's go, guys. We'll see. I hope we can catch some fish tonight. Let's go, guys. Woohoo! Bam! What's up, guys? So one more thing, I forgot to tell you how I'm going to rig that new setup. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show it now. Whew. Yeah, look at that setup. I don't know if you can hear me, but the wind is just too strong. It's blowing 45 k's. That's how I rig my bait. As you can see, wait, it's blurry, bro. Take two. So that's how I rig my bait. See, the hook points are exposed. It should be, because it's a circle hook. The hook point should be exposed if you're using circle hook. And I use bait cotton to tie it. And here as well, same as this one, and same as the pilis. Look at the pilis, guys. Irresistible. That's it, guys. Stay tuned, and I hope we can catch fish. Boom. So alright, guys, first cast. If I can catch my first fish on my first cast, damn, that's gonna be awesome. Let's check the bait, guys, if it's still there. Yep, as I suspected, it's gone. I reckon second cast I'll be able to catch a fish. You'll see. We'll see. Our second cast is yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. On my next cast, I'm gonna put this one. To be honest, guys, I'm not very confident with the hooks, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see, guys. You can't hear the wind because there's like a structure beside this camera, so you can't hear it. So it's really strong. There you are, guys. Fish on! Fish on, guys. Just slowly retrieve it. I think I lost it. Woohoo! Bro! Bro, Not the fish that I expected, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at that sea mullet. Sheesh! What an excellent bait. This is an excellent bait, guys. Woohoo! Third cast does the trick. Woo! That's the thing with circle hook, guys. It hooks itself, guys. The fish hooks itself. You just reel it in. So if you see the rod bending, just reel it in. There's no need for you to jerk. Just reel it in. Because that's a circle hook right there. It's on. As you can see it, guys. See it? You can see it, guys. It is perfectly hooked in the corner of the mouth with the circle hook, guys. Sheesh. Guys, that was a tailor. That was a tailor, guys. I think my hook got cut. Bro, that was a tailor. Those, bro. Another herring, guys. Another herring. Another herring, guys. Another herring. Ah. I lost it. I lost it. Just right in front of me. It, guys. I'm trying to hold the rod. I keep on casting, 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 and eventually I had a hookup. It feels really good since I keep on casting, just trying. Yeah, and that's the importance of trying, keep on casting. This is tar wine, guys, tar wine, but this is undersized. I'm gonna release it. Herring. Another herring, guys. Onto the bucket. Feel the wind, guys. The wind is too strong. So what's up, mga adventure? Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record the whole session since I'm using my phone, and just bear with me, guys, since I'm saving up money for action camera, which it will really helps my vlogging. And yeah, time check, it's already 9:40 and I started 6 p.m. So yeah, 3 hours session, not bad. I managed to catch this. Yeah, not bad. And I'm gonna go home, guys. See you at home. Woo. What's up, mga adventure? Finally, whew, I'm fresh now. I don't smell fish anymore. And before I end this video, I would like to do a montage of my catch. What's up, mga adventure? So I managed to catch 6 herring and 1 sea mullet. I really didn't expect for that fish to bite my bait since it's my first time catching that fish. That's why if you see the video, I was really surprised. And anyways, back to the beginning, the question, is it worth it to fish during strong winds? I would say for me, yes. And for some people, I'm not sure. Drop a comment down below if you like fishing during strong winds or you prefer calm days. And yep, anyways, again, and for me, yeah, it's definitely worth it for me since all of my, like big catches is I fish during strong winds. So I would say yes. And yeah, it depends for some people. And with a bait, chicken breast, I was surprised. I would say I would highly recommend it to someone, especially if you're trying to catch like herring, whiting. I would say yes, it's really good. It stays in the hook really well as long as you rig it properly. And with the rig that I have, the dropper loop, 3 hooks, circle hook, it's really a good one since it hooks the fish itself. So you don't have to jerk it, but sometimes, as you can see in the video, I have to, because it's just that the sinker is giving me a problem. So that's my number one learning for today. The next time, I'm gonna use star sinker instead of grapnel sinker. I think that will fix it. And anyway, so that's it guys for our rigs, bait, and the question. We all answered it. And before I end this video, I would like to shout out my mates in the Philippines. They keep on saying, we will mass report your YouTube channel because you didn't shout out us. So I will shout out you guys. I would like to shout out to Arvil Salbilia. Good luck on your diet journey. And to my mate Wilbur Napoles, Stever, Dave, get well soon, and Christian Velasquez, the fisherman in our group, the other fisherman, and Jasper Sassing, bro, start jogging now. And yeah, and to all my mates here in Perth as well, thank you so much for the support. I will shout out you the next video. And yep, if you like this type of content guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. It really helps. And yeah, see you guys. See you in the next video. Whoop! Boom!